So this is the engine.
Yeah.
We put it on.
Like a brand new engine. And now we're with the doctor, car's doctor. He's gonna see what's up. This is another Sonata Hyundai.
3 weeks.
Still waiting.
A bit slow.
Papá, ¿dónde estás? Where is he?
Another car.
Yeah, another Jeep.
We
He's
put
fixing
the engine
it.
on this one.
I think he's 99% done.
Yeah, we put a new engine on this baby
Yeah.
right here. The engine has only 67,000 miles. The reason was we bought it from a private seller, and the coolants got mixed up in the engine, so we messed up the engine. So we just changed the whole engine. It's
Yeah.
been here for about 2-3 months. We're going back and forth because of the price and everything.
But I think we're gonna be able to take it this weekend.
But we came to an agreement.
Finally.
So
All right.
let's go ask you about this.
Oh, where is Max?
Max!
So tell me, what's the problem with this Jeep?
Had an engine problem. Finally done. It's been sitting at the shop for 3 months.
All right.
Max says he's treated up honestly.
Okay.
Right now we drove it, it's fine. We put everything on. It's just a little bit tilted. Something is wrong with the seat. So we're gonna see what's up with that.
So Max, you lift the car up to check what's really going on.
Check it out, make sure the alignment is okay.
All right. All right, let's do this.
So this is the engine.
Yeah.
We put it on.
Like a brand new engine.
It has 60,000 miles on it.
All right.
The car has 108,000 miles, but the engine has only 67,000 miles.
And now we're with the doctor, car's doctor. He's gonna see what's up.
Oh, Sakari, come here over here.
Okay.
It's leaking from there. I don't know what's wrong.
See, the car having accident. Then they replaced the lower control arm. See, they replaced this one was bad. Compared to this one, see,
Right.
this one
This is
is
old
almost,
one.
Almost this also, but they don't want to replace that. Okay? They need to replace this one, and they replace already this one. But and they didn't replace also this.
Yeah,
this
it looks new.
or this arm, and most likely